Hey everyone, if your Chrome browser is messy with too many extensions and you want a clean, fast, and organized setup in 2026, this video is for you. In this guide, I'll show you how to organize Chrome extensions efficiently. First, open the extension manager inside Google Chrome. This is where all installed extensions are listed and controlled. Next, separate your extensions by purpose. I mean, group them into categories like productivity, work, security, and entertainment for better organization. Now pin only the essential extensions to your toolbar. This keeps your browser clean and avoids unnecessary clutter. After that, disable extensions you don't use every day. I mean, this helps improve speed and reduces memory usage. Next, remove duplicate or heavy extensions that do the same job. Having too many similar tools can slow down your browser. Now use Chrome profiles to separate your workflows. I mean, create different setups for work, study, and personal browsing. Finally, always keep your extensions updated. Updates improve performance, fix bugs, and increase security. So yeah, that's how you organize Chrome extensions efficiently in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and your browser will stay clean, fast, and easy to manage. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more browser tutorials for fast and easy guides. Hey everyone!